Okay, yes. Last part of the chapter. Relation between what I told you, binomial coefficients. मतलब binomial coefficients क्या है? NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, NCN, those are binomial coefficients. Okay, मैंने binomial expansion लिखा भी है. अच्छा, moment I say NC0, it is evident that raised to n का n has to be a natural number 100%. अच्छा, इसके अंदर अगर आप लोग मेरे को बोलो पुट x as 1, चलो आप बताओ क्या क्या आएगा? क्या क्या आएगा? 1, ओ ये तो 2 raised to n हो जाएगा भाई. 2 raised to n is NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 plus dot plus NCN. Oh, sum of all the binomial coefficients is always 2 raised to n. Oh, everybody, look at that. A plus b whole square. Do you understand? A square का coefficient 1, 2ab 2, b square का coefficient 1. Sum of them 4, which is 2 square. Oh, what a beauty! A plus b whole cube. Come on, everybody. A plus b whole cube. 1a cube. 3a square b. 3ab square. 1b cube. Total is 8. 2 cube. Fantastic. It's not by chance. It has to happen that way. All right, and we have mathematically seen that it has to happen that way only. Are you all getting that clear? First, most importantly, sum of all the binomial coefficients is 2 raised to n. मतलब क्या? NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus up to NCN. हमेशा 2 raised to n. Okay, so let's mark this as relation A. Everybody, what happens when I put x as minus 1? Oh, what happens? X as minus 1, come on. 1 minus 1, gone. 0 equal. NC0, NC0. X is minus 1. Oh, minus NC1, fantastic. X is minus 1, plus NC2, fantastic. Minus NC3. And so on and so forth. And final term will be plus minus 1 raised to n NCN. Everybody, you understand ना? X को minus 1 डालना था. अब minus 1 raised to n ना हम लोग लिख नहीं सकते भाई. Unless I know n is positive या नहीं. So इसलिए मैंने minus 1 raised to n लिख दिया. Okay? Positive or negative नहीं. I'm sorry. N is even or odd. Because when n is even, ये plus है. When n is odd, ये minus होगा. Okay. Anyways, all of you all, इसको मैं b मार्क कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को आप ये बताओ क्या होगा if I add n. चलो, add n भी करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 raised to n आएगा. 2 raised to n आएगा. ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. अच्छा, can I say? And I think we can relate this way. All odd binomial coefficients cancel होंगे. 1, 3, 5, cancel होगा. And all even double होगा. NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 and so on and so forth. अच्छा, ये 2 को नीचे ले आए. Therefore 2 raised to n minus 1 is NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 plus all even binomial coefficients. अच्छा, मेरे को एक बात बताओ, what happens if I subtract? A minus B कर दो भाई. A minus B तभी भी 2 raised to n ही होगा. And this time what happened? Same sign cancel. So twice NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5. That means ऑल ऑड बाइनोमियल कोएफिशिएंट ही आएगा एंड 2 को नीचे ले आएंगे तो क्या बचेगा, क्या बचेगा? डू यू सी एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज 2C0, 2C1, 2C2, 2C0 and 2C2 adds up to 2, which is 2 raised to 2 minus 1. This is the sole one, which is 2 itself, 2 raised to 2 minus 1. Alright, इसमें this is 3C0, this is 3C1, this is 3C2, this is 3C3. These two add up to 4, which is 2 raised to 3 minus 1. These two add up to 4, which is 2 raised to 3 minus 1. They both are equal. Therefore, can I also conclude NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 plus so on and so forth is NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 and so on and so forth. Sum of all even binomial coefficients and all odd binomial coefficients are the same and given by 2 raised to n minus 1. Very, very important relations pertaining to binomial coefficients. ये जरा write it down, okay? ज्यादा करके बहुत सारा सम्स नहीं है, एक दो हैं वो भी मैं कर दूंगा. That is basically रिजल्ट करके याद रखोगे तो बेटर ही है, okay? Let's work that out after you have actually written this down. ओके वो दो रिलेशंस भी प्रॉब्लम जैसे मैं दे रहा हूं आपको, लेट्स क्विकली गेट दैट डन एज वेल एंड दैट विल कंक्लूड द चैप्टर ऑन बाइनोमियल थ्योरम. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, ये लिखा कि आपको ये लिखना था, ओके, पुट x इक्वल टू 1 लिखना था, ये पूरा लिखना था. ए प्लीज राइट दीज एज एग्जांपल्स सो दैट यू ऑल कैन रिलेट इमीडिएटली एंड से हां भाई दे एडेड अप टू 4, 2 square added up to 8, 2 cube. Okay, perfect. Alright, then you put x as minus 1, get this relation. The last one you write as minus 1 is when NCM, that's the add and subtract, and you end up with this relation. All even binomial coefficients and all odd binomial coefficients add up to the same quantity, 2 raised to n minus 1. Chalo, next. Show that, ये मैं आपको डायरेक्टली एक रिजल्ट करके दे रहा हूं, सम करके लिखेंगे. इट इज बेसिकली अ रिजल्ट इटसेल्फ. ओके, शो दैट NC1 plus 2NC2 plus 3NC3 plus NNCN is equal to n into 2 raised to n minus 1. अच्छा एवरीबडी, आपके ब्लू बुक्स में ना एक मेथड है ऑफ हाउ टू गेट दिस आंसर. अच्छा जीटीबी में भी वही मेथड है. मैं कुछ और कर रहा हूं, मैं कुछ अलग कर रहा हूं. ठीक है, and I am certain that all of you all will understand it pretty easily. ठीक है, चलो तो एक काम करते हैं. Can we start by writing LHS? This is a problem which is to be remembered as a result. Okay, so LHS is equal to, आप पहले मैं जो लिख रहा हूं उसको ध्यान से देखो. डू नॉट राइट, ध्यान से देखो, समझने की कोशिश करो. ओके, एंड देन आई प्रोसीड अहेड. I think the LHS is summation R into NCR, where R goes from 1 to n. अच्छा यहां पर अगर मैंने R equal to 1 to n के जगह पे R equal to 0 to n में लिखूं तो भी ये समेशन का मतलब यही है. समेशन का मतलब यही है. वाई? क्योंकि R को 0 लेंगे तो भी भाई ये तो 0 into NC 0 होगा, वो तो 0 ही है. स्टार्ट इसेंशियली 1 से ही होगा। सो आपके पास दो ऑप्शन, r इक्वल टू 1 से लिखो या r इक्वल टू 0 से लिखो, बात वही है, इट डजंट मैटर। सो आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ बाय राइटिंग r इक्वल टू 1 to n, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर किसी ने 0 to n लिखा है, इट्स ओके। अच्छा, बाय द वे, आर यू ऑल कन्विंस्ड दैट दिस इज दिस ओनली? ऑफ कोर्स, summation means process of adding all terms which look like this and look like this. r is the variable of the summation. r को क्या किधर से किधर तक ले जाना है आपको? 1 से लेके n तक ले जाना है। 1 डालो, 1 nc1 हो गया, 2 डालो, 2 nc2 ओके, 3 nc3 ओके, n ncn परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट। By the way, all of you all, R into NCR तो लिखा मैंने, चले। I think all of you all, हमने पिछले लेक्चर में एकदम स्टार्ट में R into NCR को लिखा हुआ है। Why don't all of you all go back and refer to the first lecture, first part? R into NCR is n into n minus 1 C R minus 1. I think we have proved this also. मतलब r into n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial को लिखा r into r minus 1 factorial and r को कैंसिल किया, n factorial को लिखा n into n minus 1 factorial and blah blah blah, we got this. पक्का? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to now write summation r equal to 1 to n into n minus 1 C R minus. Hey, by the way, everybody, I think n can come outside the summation. The variable of the summation is r, and there is no r in n, so n is a constant. Take it outside, and that leaves me with summation r equal to 1 to n of n minus 1 C R minus, which means it is n into r को 1 डालो, n minus 1 C 0, r को 2 डालो, n minus 1 C 1, r को 3 डालो, n minus 1 C 2, r को n डालो, n minus 1 C n minus 1. Oh, isn't this sum of all the binomial coefficients? Therefore, n into 2 raised to n minus 1. Sum of all the binomial coefficients, but where n is not n, it is n minus 1. So 2 raised to n minus 1 होना चाहिए, and that's your answer. That's your answer. Everybody, is this okay? Have all of you all understood how we wrote the LHS as a summation? ये clear है क्या? दिमाग के अंदर घुसा है क्या ये? Okay, yes. Then R into NCR is this. बोला था. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Yes. And everybody, then n came outside. I wrote what the summation means. When I wrote what the summation means, I realized that that's the sum of all binomial coefficients, where the index is n minus 1. So it's 2 raised to n minus 1. Hence the answer. Perfect. This is one result you all should know. Okay? Summation R NCR is n into 2 raised to n minus 1. Is this perfectly alright? Everybody? Okay. अच्छा, और एक sum show that. Okay, show that C0 plus, NC0 plus NC1 upon 2 plus NC2 upon 3 plus NC4 upon 4 and so on and so forth up to NCN upon n minus n plus 1, sorry, n plus 1 is 2 raised to n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 is 2 raised to n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1. ठीक है. Hey, can I write this as upon 1? Yeah, absolutely, no problem. Okay. आप बताओ. Can I write this also as a summation? Okay. आपके बुक में GTB में it is given by expanding each of these. Huh? I am not doing it that way. I am doing it by summation. And since we have done summation, all of you all should be able to connect with this faster, better, easily. Okay, so let me write this down. LHS is equal to LHS is equal to, is it fair to say it is summation NCR upon R plus 1. NCR upon R plus 1. And where R goes from 0, R goes from 0, yes, this gives me this term when R is 0, and up till R is n. Absolutely perfect. Perfect. अच्छा, everybody, आपने ये जो लिखा है ये हमने पहले लेक्चर में कर दिया. इसमें wherever you see R ना, you write R plus, and wherever you see n ना, you write n plus. कर सकते हो क्या? Yes, this is the result everybody. So n का कोई भी वैल्यू के लिए it is okay. R का कोई भी वैल्यू के लिए it is okay. So I am asking you to replace R by R plus 1 and n by n plus 1. Tell me what you see, what do you take? Come on. R plus 1 into n plus 1 C R plus 1. सब n को मैंने n plus 1 लिख दिया है भाई, और सब r को r plus 1 लिखा है और कुछ नहीं किया. ओके, इक्वल टू n plus 1 times NCR. Oh, perfect. Hey, by the way, isn't that meaning n plus 1 CR plus 1 upon n plus 1 is NCR upon R plus 1? Oh, isn't this term this? NCR upon R plus 1, देखो, NCR upon R plus 1 is n plus 1 CR plus 1 upon n. Fantastic. Best हो गया. So this is going to be summation R equal to 0 to n of what? N plus 1 CR plus 1 upon n plus 1. Oh, fantastic everybody. Exactly like what happened in the earlier term. Can I put this n plus 1 outside? It's 1 upon n plus 1. And you have summation R equal to 0 to n of n plus 1 CR plus 1. Which is 1 upon n plus 1 into R को 0 रखो. चालू करो, come on. n plus 1 C1 plus n plus 1 C2 plus when you put n R as n, what do you get? n plus 1 C n plus 1. ठीक है, मैंने सारे टर्म लिख दिए. 0 से लेके n तक सारे टर्म्स आ. 0 से लेके n तक means n plus 1 terms are there. They are there. And can I do this, everybody? n plus 1 C0. मतलब मैं अपने पॉकेट से डाल रहा हूं इसके अंदर. तो वापस भी लेना पड़ेगा, पॉकेट में डालने, तो माइनस n+1c 0 करेंगे एंड इनको एक ब्रैकेट में डाल देंगे भाई। Sum of all the binomial coefficients with index n+1. Oh, fantastic, fantastic. 2 raised to n+1 हो गया ये ब्रैकेट, ब्लैक ब्रैकेट, माइनस n+1 0 is 1 only and n. Hello, is that making sense to all of you all? Are you sure? Are you able to connect and say yes sir? Perfect. We do understand. ठीक है? चलो, very good. Alright, very nice, very nice. Everybody, एक और प्रॉब्लम है, ये दोनों बेसिक हो गया, एक और प्रॉब्लम है, चलो कर लेते हैं. Let's do it right away. Okay, have you all noted this down? ये लिखने के बाद बाजू में ये लिखो जो मैंने रेड में लिखा है, आपको भी लिखना है, which implies this, पूरा लिखना है आपको. Come on, everybody, फटाफट लिखो. So, our concluding problem then in this chapter, our concluding problem in the chapter is obtain an expression for summation r square NCR, r going from obviously 1 to n, r square into NCR, that is what, 1 square into NC1 plus 2 square into NC2 plus 3 square into NC3 and so on and so forth लिखेंगे, so on and so forth लिखेंगे. Can I get started? Okay, and I think you all can do a little bit of work along with me. Can I say this is summation r equal to 1 to n, r into r NCR, which is n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, I think that's fair. Come on, I think it's fair. Okay, r है, r square था, r को लिखा, and r NCR is n minus 1 c r minus 1 लिख दिया. जिसका मतलब हो गया n तो बाहर आ गया, एंड बचेगा क्या? कम ऑन, r equal to 1 to n of r n minus 1 c r minus. ठीक है भाई, ठीक. एक्चुअली एवरीबडी, अगर ये ऐसे होगा तो चलेगा क्या? जरा देखिए. हाँ, n इंटू, ये n तो बाहर ही है भाई, बाहर ही रखो, समेशन r equal to 1 to n of r minus 1 plus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus, which is n into bracket. You know now what I done here, r को r minus 1 plus 1 लिखा, वो क्यों लिखा है अभी आपको समझ में आएगा. This is summation r equal to 1 to n of r minus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus 1 plus summation r equal to 1 to n of n minus 1 c r minus 1. ठीक है भैया, ये तो परफेक्ट हो गया. अब आपको बतानी है मुझे कि भाई ये इसका क्या होने वाला है. क्या होगा बताइए? ओके, क्या होगा? क्या होगा एवरीबडी? आई थिंक दिस इज अगेन लुकिंग टू मी लाइक दिस. एम आई नॉट राइट? आई थिंक आई एम. जरा चेक करो. ओके, r minus 1, n minus 1, c r minus 1. So this is like r n c r. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So I think I should write, what should I write? RHS देखो, जो यहाँ पर n है वो ये n है. So that means जो यहाँ पर n है वो आएगा n minus 1. और क्या? ओके, जो NCR है वो दोनों में -1 -1 है. That means it should be n minus 2 CR minus 2. Fantastic. Fantastic. So this is n into summation r equal to 1 to n of this, and plus I wonder whether all of you all realize this is n minus 1 C0, n minus 1 C1, n minus 2 1 C2, n को r को n डालेंगे तो n minus 1 C, n minus 1. Hey, that should be 2 raised to n minus n. That's okay. That's okay. And what about the next one? What about the earlier one? What about the earlier one? I believe all of you all, this will be n minus 1 बाहर आएगा. Okay, and now do you all realize r equal to 2 to n होना चाहिए. n minus 2 c r minus 2. Why? Everybody please understand, इसके अंदर जब आप r equal to 1 लिखते थे तो ये तो 0 ही होने वाला था. So r equal to 1 does not make a contribution to your sum. So from where will the contribution start? From r equal to 2 only. So in this place you could have very well said r equal to 2. R equal to 2. Okay, and plus this one will be 2 raised to n minus 1. तो ये अब खत्म हो गया. n into n minus 1, and इसका क्या होगा? I think all of you all, this is 2 raised to n minus 2. जरा चेक करो, क्योंकि जब आप r equal to 2 से शुरू करोगे ये 0, फिर 1, फिर 2, up to n डालेंगे तो n minus 2 तक आएगा. So 2 raised to n minus 2 ही होगा. This will be the sum of all binomial coefficients with the index now at n minus. So you should get plus 2 raised to n minus 1. अच्छा, इन दोनों में से क्या कॉमन निकलेगा बाहर? n 2 raised to n minus 2 into bracket n minus 1 into 2. No, n minus 1 plus इधर से 2 आएगा. So final answer must be n plus 1 into 2 raised to n minus 2. If possible, remember this as a result as well. Everybody. Okay, remember these three what we finally done as problems. Everybody, आप अगर याद रख सको बेटर याद, ठीक है? अच्छा, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा मैं होमवर्क दे रहा हूं. वो आपको करना है GTB एक्सरसाइज 4.4 complete. 4.4 completely, that's on page 82. Page 82 पे एक्सरसाइज है, पूरा कर देना है. That's your homework for today's lecture. ठीक है? This then actually completes with binomial theorem, right? अच्छा, everybody, binomial theorem, these two lectures हम लोग ने टाइम अपना इन्वेस्ट क्यों किया है? Basically, everyone must be aware of the formula. Everyone must be aware of the formula for any index which is practically going to be used by you. And ये जो आखिर में अपन ने binomial coefficients के बीच का रिलेशंस किया है, very important for a topic that we'll do later on. ओके, तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, ठीक है। तभी या तो मैं या चेतन सर आपको डायरेक्टली बोलेंगे भाई ये तो आपने किया हुआ है, एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू प्रूव दिस अगेन, सो योर चॉइस। अच्छा, पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक specifically not there for CET, only for JW. And JW students, this is only the tip of the iceberg. अपने को बहुत कुछ आगे करना है बायनॉमियल थ्योरम के सेशन में, okay, which we will do later, right? Thank you so much for your time, everybody. Okay, I'll see you all soon. Thank you.